So another week's gone by. I'm back out in nature. Um, it's been a rough week. I'm not sleeping well, so that puts everything else out of whack. I have been journaling pretty much every day, but yeah, things have been tough. When I don't sleep, everything else falls apart. Work's been stressful. The people we're working with seem to want everything done right now, but they don't share the information we need to get things done. So yeah, that really stinks. Today I'm at a park called Port Tobacco River Park. It's literally just down the road from where I'm staying. It's nice. It's quiet. I come here quite a bit because it's close, and there's almost never anybody here. I mean, when I got here, there was 4 cars in the parking lot, and 2 of them left before I started walking. So it's nice. I'm gonna have some video of the park or of me walking through the park, so you'll be able to see what it's like. This park's known for having eagle nesting grounds, although I've never seen eagles here. Yeah, no shock there. It's right along the Port Tobacco River, and I will put some video of the river in when I get closer to that. Right now I'm sitting outside of what was a field this summer, but they've mowed it down, so it's just this big empty lot. Weather's nice. It's probably in the mid 40s. I don't think it's 50. Warm enough that I can't see my breath, but cool enough that my nose keeps running, so I'm going to sniffle a lot today. It's weird. I'm not a fan of the ocean, but there's just something about sitting by, a river or the lake that just really speaks to me. I don't know. I don't know if you can hear it, but I love the sound of the wind whipping through the trees. It's just beautiful here. Absolutely beautiful. And of course, autumn is one of my favorite times of the year, so it helps calm me and helps me focus. Helped me get centered, which lately I've needed. Oh, puppies. Sorry, all dogs are puppies. Changed my mind. Anyway, it's getting later in the day. It's dark pretty early, so I need to wind up and head to the grocery store. Talk to you later.